greater than 80. This is about the step, a few step example of using LINQ in C# language. Because we use keyword like we query data like from, in, where, clause, and select data. Okay, now let's practice the LINQ in C# application. We go to Visual Studio 20. We go to Visual Studio 2020 and we create new project and navigate to window platform and we choose console application and select console application.NET framework, select next, and you create support project like use LINQ. Okay, use LINQ. Okay, now click create. Okay, as we can see this simple structure of console application project in C#, and we can do this thing inside main function. We have one class program, and we have one main function for execute program. Okay, now inside main function we can do this thing to write your C# source code. Okay, and this way I introduce to use LINQ. I can command use LINQ in C#. Okay, in order to use LINQ to query data, we have to initialize data source or data structure. Data structure in this, I can display data structure. With this example, I declare arrays of integer, such as I declare integers score equals in each value of score, such as 97, 92, 81, 60. So I want to query. I don't want to output all of 4 element score in this array. I just use LINQ to query or select data that greater than 80. So I will use LINQ. LINQ here I use I implement LINQ enumerable. You must write like this: enumerable integer, and we create new variable integer score queries. Score query equal here is we use syntax like SQL, like we use query in a database also, but this form is we call LINQ, and you can use from keyword to select from resource. S is stand for score. We declare a new element in is a keyword, and score is a new score is a resource. Letter S is a new variable that we declare, and score here is a resource. And then we can say where keyword to select where s. We set the condition where s is stand for score, where s is greater than 80, mean that we select only the score is greater than 80. The score is below 80 is we drop, we don't allow to show. And we can the next we can select s. Can select s. Okay, now after we implement this LINQ, we can use loop to okay, we can use loop to display the score after we query. We can use for each loop for each integer item score in score queries, because we want to select a score after we query, so we not use score in array above, we just use score that assign value from query. So we select score from queries and we can write console dot array line item score. Okay, now let's to save the code and we run the program.